Ever dream of being your own boss, but the entrepreneurial path seems a bit murky? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving into the crystal clear waters of reseller hosting, your ticket to building a side hustle empire from the comfort of your chair. Picture this: you buy hosting in bulk at wholesale prices, then slice it up and sell it to your clients under your own brand. It's like running a digital grocery store for websites, stocking shelves with resources and watching the orders roll in. Sounds pretty sweet, right? Unlocking the reseller power. But before we start stocking our virtual shelves, let's unpack what reseller hosting really is. Think of it as being a master landlord for websites. You rent out server space and resources from a bigger provider, then sublease them to your clients under your own banner. You manage their accounts, provide support, and become their one-stop shop for all things hosting. It's like having your own mini data center in the cloud, without the hefty price tag or technical nightmares. You're the captain of your hosting ship, charting your own course to side hustle success. Choosing your hosting captain. But not all captains are created equal. When picking your wholesale provider, look for these key qualities. Seaworthy servers: you don't want your hosting ship stuck in choppy waters. Choose a provider with reliable technology and a good uptime record. Scalability: as your client base grows, your hosting needs will too. Make sure your provider can handle smooth sailing even in rough seas. Control panel: this is your captain's bridge, where you'll manage accounts, set up resources, and keep your clients happy. Choose a user-friendly panel like cPanel or Plesk. Stellar support: when things get stormy, and they will, having top-notch support is crucial. Look for a provider with responsive and knowledgeable crewmates. Building your hosting packages. With your trusty provider on board, it's time to design your own hosting plans. What kind of cargo will you offer your clients? Storage and bandwidth: these are the fuel and sales of your plans. Consider offering tiered options based on website size and traffic needs. Email accounts: professional email with your client's domain is a must-have. Decide how many cabins to include in each plan. Databases and software: some clients might need databases for e-commerce sites or specific software like WordPress. Offer options based on their requirements. Security features: SSL certificates, spam protection, and malware scanning are essential for smooth sailing. Decide what level of security to include in each plan. Remember, pricing is key. Research the market, find a competitive sweet spot, and factor in your own costs and profit margins. Setting sail with clients. Once your hosting ship is shipshape, it's time to welcome your first crewmates. Your control panel will be your trusty map and compass. You can create client accounts, assign them hosting plans, set up email addresses, and even manage their domain names. Remember, communication is key. Keep your clients informed about their accounts, offer prompt customer service, and make sure they feel like valued crew members on your hosting voyage. Marketing your hosting adventure. With your hosting ocean under your command, it's time to spread the sails of marketing. Here are some tips. Build a website, showcase your hosting plans, highlight your strengths, and establish your brand as the go-to port for digital needs. Social media: engage with potential clients on relevant platforms, share valuable content like hosting tips, and run targeted ads. Offer deals and promotions. Attract new crewmates with special discounts and referral programs. Network with other techies, collaborate with designers, developers, and other web professionals to cross-promote your offerings. Remember, building a successful reseller hosting business takes time and effort. But with the right plan, a dedicated crew, and a bit of marketing magic, you can set sail on a side hustle adventure that brings freedom, flexibility, and, of course, confidence. Click the like button and the bell notifications to on, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos.